All right, we're back. Are we back? We're back. That's right. Are we back? What's behind me? Oh, my back. So what we need to do now is we need to make the button actually useful, right? We want it such that when you tap on the button, something actually happens. And in this case, we want to hide the punchline until the user taps on the button. Okay. So when the user first launches the app, they want to see the joke setup and the button, right? The rest below that can be hidden. And we want them to tap on the button in order to see the next thing, right? And in order for this to happen, you need a state variable, right? In order to make changes to what is shown on the screen, you actually need to have a state variable because a state variable will determine how something is shown on the screen, right? And app's interface is a function of its state. So we're going to create a state variable and we're going to call it show punchline. You can call it punchline shown or something like that. Something that can be either true or false. And I'm going to put it underneath my let jokes declaration. State, oh, that's not how you spell state. State variable show punchline equals to false. Okay? Because when we start the app, we want to say, well, don't show the punchline first, right? Don't show the punchline first. And now let's make it such that our punchline is hidden until the user taps a button. So I'm going to scroll down, right? If you remember, we did something like this for the counter app, right? I'm just going to say, okay, over here, these lines of code, for me, it's lines 29 to 35, right? These lines of code should be hidden initially. So I can say, if show punchline, open curly brace, enter, right? And now all these should be inside this if statement. You remember how to do that? You can try tapping on this little curly brace and dragging it down, right? But I find that a little bit iffy because as you can see, weird stuff happens. So let's not do that. Let's use our regular copy and paste. I'm just going to tap and drag. Or if you have a mouse and keyboard, you can just select everything. Tap it, cut, tap inside here, and paste. Okay, that's great. It's gone, right? It's gone. So now when you run the app, it's going to say, well, you have to tap on the button in order for the thing to show up. But if you tap the button now, nothing happens, right? It just says button tapped, right? That's great. But remember, whatever shows up in print doesn't actually show up for the user. So if you launch this app, the user is going to tap on the button and nothing's going to happen. And it'll be very sad because they will never figure out the punchline on their own. That's cruel. You should not do that to people. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the buttons action, right? That's the logical place for us to change the state of show punchline from false to true. So I'm going to press enter and say show punchline equals true. And this should work. Let's test it out. So why couldn't the bicycle stand out? Oh, I know this is going to be great. Oh, I was so tired. Okay. So yeah, that's enough for this little round, right? I can't take more jokes yet, but that's what we're going to do next. We're going to add more jokes. So please follow us, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.